Alright, what's going on everybody? Captain Namco here, and this video will be going on YouTube and TikTok, which is why I'm filming with the Android this morning. This is going to be a fall, I guess, cold start, 1976 John Deere 300. Let's go ahead and hook the battery up and see what's going to happen. Alright, now let's see how it's going to start. You let it run because I got to use it to haul something. So, let's see if the battery kept its charge overnight. Hold up, turn this off.
Why is it doing that? Put the... It smells like it's gassing itself. Come on, you piece of shit. Start.
I'm not doing video.
Why is... I mean...
There we go. Not sure what that was about.
I've never seen it do that.
I'm gonna
We
have
need to figure out a way to get rid of those.
Well, when you move this, I mean.
Yeah, that's gonna have to go.
Alright.
I'm gonna put the...
Finally got it started, guys. Thanks for watching, y'all. Before I go, I just want to remind y'all, Jesus loves you and God bless.